Quayside or riverbank. Quayside or riverbank. Hump bridge. Hump bridge. Sidewinds. Sidewinds. Risk ice. Risk ice. Zebra crossing. Zebra crossing. Pedestrians in road ahead. Pedestrians in road ahead. Frail, or blind or disabled if shown. Pedestrians likely to cross road ahead. School crossing patrol ahead. School crossing patrol ahead. Level crossing without barrier. Level crossing without barrier. Level crossing without barrier or gate ahead. Level crossing without barrier or gate ahead. Level crossing with barrier or gate ahead. Level crossing with barrier or gate ahead. Trams crossing ahead. Trams crossing ahead. Tunnel ahead. Tunnel ahead. Steep hill upwards. Steep hill upwards. Steep hill downwards. Steep hill downwards. Slippery road. Slippery road. Traffic signals. Traffic signals. Traffic signals not in use. Traffic signals not in use. Falling or fallen rocks. Falling or fallen rocks. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Low-flying aircraft or sudden aircraft noise. Opening or swing bridge ahead. Opening or swing bridge ahead. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Two-way traffic straight ahead. Two-way traffic crosses one-way road. Two-way traffic crosses one-way road. Uneven road. Uneven road. Roundabout. Roundabout. Bend to right. Bend to right. Double bend first to left. Double bend first to left. Traffic merging from left ahead. Traffic merging from left ahead. Staggered junction. Staggered junction. T-junction with priority over vehicles from the right. T-junction with priority over vehicles from the right. Junction on bend ahead. Junction on bend ahead. Crossroads. Crossroads. Distance to give way line ahead. Distance to give way line ahead. Road narrows on both sides. Road narrows on both sides. Road narrows on right. Road narrows on right. Dual carriageway ends. Dual carriageway ends. Distance to stop line ahead. Distance to stop line ahead. Overhead electric cable. Plate indicates maximum height of vehicles, which can pass safely. Overhead electric cable. Plate indicates maximum height of vehicles, which can pass safely. Sharp deviation of route to left. Sharp deviation of route to left. Light signals ahead at level crossing, airfield or bridge. Light signals ahead at level crossing, airfield or bridge. Miniature warning lights at level crossings. Miniature warning lights at level crossings. Wild animals. Wild animals. Wild horses or ponies. Wild horses or ponies. Accompanied horses or ponies. Accompanied horses or ponies. Cycle route ahead. Cycle route ahead. Traffic queues likely ahead. Traffic queues likely ahead. Distance over which road humps extend. Distance over which road humps extend. Soft verges. Soft verges. Risk grounding. Risk grounding.